All right, you are reading the next section of the book you started, Trouble at Sea. Excuse me. So, I just wanted to say that some of you made the connection between this book and the Titanic. And while it's not the same ship, this is the Lusitania, it was actually a very similar time in the world. Okay. So there are some similarities in the ship for sure. This one, the Lusitania, happened during World War I, which affects what happened. So you're reading chapters 2 and 3, pages 10 through 17, and then you're answering the questions. What can you infer about why the Lusitania's captain orders a blackout as the ship nears the Irish coast? So an inference is taking what the author tells you and figure out the important ideas or details the author does not directly tell you. So take what you read, combine with what you already know to make an inference. So what I just told you, it's during World War I. They were sailing in waters towards Ireland, or near Ireland, so near Europe. So consider, okay, who is on the ship, what you know about wars and how different sides will bomb the other side. So why might the captain have ordered a blackout as the ship got close to the coast? And then which detail best supports the inference that Anna is determined to survive after she ends up in the water? So the inference is that she is determined to survive. Okay, it doesn't necessarily say that, but we can figure that out from what she does. So which detail tells us, okay, she is really wanting to survive. She is determined. What things does she do? What things does she say? What are some of the different things that shows us, what she really wants to survive, even though it's a very difficult situation. Okay? Sorry if I didn't explain that well. If you have any questions, let me know. Blackouts, you might not be familiar with, so if you need more clues, either Google that or ask me for help, and I'm more than happy to do that. Good luck.